Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through all the new features in Windows 11 version 25H2, and show you exactly how you can use them step by step. Let's get started. First up is Click to Do. Now, if you highlight a table in any app, simply press the Windows key and click. You'll see options like sending the table straight to Excel, copying it, or sharing it. Just click, and your table is ready to use. You'll also notice new action tags in the menu that recommend the most popular AI tools, and when you summarize text, the results are now shorter, sharper, and easier to understand. Next, let's talk about settings. If you search inside Settings, you'll now see direct navigation links that take you right to the page you need, no extra clicks. The Advanced Settings page has been redesigned, and if you open a Git folder in File Explorer, you can now see branch details, commit messages, and diffs at a glance. And under Time and Language, you can finally add more clocks, change your time server, or format dates and numbers directly without opening the old control panel. Desktop and Taskbar. On your desktop, you can move the brightness, volume, airplane mode, and desktop indicators to different spots on the screen. Just head to Settings, then System, then Notifications, and choose the pop-up position you prefer. For IT admins, pinned apps now show up on the taskbar automatically, without needing to restart Explorer. File Explorer also gets powerful AI tools. Right-click on an image, and you can blur the background, erase objects, or remove the background completely using Paint. You can even search the web with that image using Visual Search. For documents, right-click and select Summarize, and you'll get a quick Copilot summary without having to open the file. Windows Share. When you share something, you can now pin your favorite apps right in the Windows Share menu, so they're always one click away. Emoji 16.0. Windows 11 adds fresh emojis too. Press Windows key plus period, and you'll find new ones like face with bags under eyes, fingerprint, root vegetable, harp, and more. Gamers, this one's for you. If you're on a Snapdragon-powered PC, launch a supported game and you'll see a pop-up for Auto Super Resolution. Click once, and your visuals instantly sharpen. With Xbox controllers, short press the Xbox button to open Game Bar, long press to open Task View, and hold it down to power off the controller. Input improvements. You can now type dashes quickly. Press Windows plus minus for an N dash, and Windows plus Shift plus minus for an M dash. And after sleep mode, your touchscreen will respond more reliably. For accessibility, Narrator now has a Braille viewer. To open it, press Windows plus Control plus Enter, then Narrator key plus Alt plus B. A floating window shows the text and Braille side by side. In Microsoft Word, Narrator now reads comments, tables, and lists more smoothly, with clearer boundaries and better feedback. Security and passkeys. Security also improves in this update. Administrator protection now gives accounts just-in-time admin privileges, reducing risks while still letting you perform admin tasks. And for signing in, you can use passkeys with plug-in credential managers. Just install a supported manager, go to Settings, then Accounts, then Passkeys, and turn on support. From there, use Windows Hello to verify and access your saved passkeys. Finally, Windows 11 gets a fresh coat of paint. System dialogues, like error messages when apps don't open, now match the modern design. You'll also see fixes for battery icons not showing charging correctly, HDR randomly turning off, and smoother performance across apps. And that's your full walkthrough of Windows 11 version 25H2. From Click to Do and AI in File Explorer to better gaming and stronger security, this update makes Windows more powerful and easier to use. Try these features out today, and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and updates.